Hey guys, it's Darius, co-founder of Dubb, and in this training, I'm going to show you one of the newest recipes and workflows available on Dubb. So if you're in real estate and you are working with FSBOs or want to work with FSBOs, maybe you found that this process is very time consuming, right? You're daily extracting whatever FSBOs have hit the market, and then you're crafting some sort of follow-up for them, and then you're sending it to them, right? To hopefully earn their business. And I want to show you guys how now in one simple sentence, this is a daily recurring automatic activity. So let's go ahead and get right into this, guys, because this technology is so powerful, so exciting, and so easy to use. Now, I'm already set up in here. So if you guys are watching this and you haven't gotten this set up yet, come check out one of these trainings. Come get set up for Dubb AI, and we'll have the instructions for this and stuff in the comments of this video. And we'll also be doing a training on the second half of this where we'll help you install this. But anyways, once this is installed, so this is Dubb AI living inside of an application called Slack. Slack is owned by Salesforce. It's a chat application, and all it is kind of the middleman between Dubb AI and you. So Dubb AI exists as a team member here. I'm going to talk to them inside of my Slack channel. I've created a channel called FSBO in my Slack, and now all I'm going to do is this one simple question. And in fact, for your guys' demonstration, I would even do this. Create a daily task every day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, my time zone. And I'm going to read this to you guys, and you're going to understand what's going to happen. It's going to use the web search, right? It's going to look on the internet to find active listings in whatever zip code I want and that were listed in the last 24 hours. And it's specifically going to find the FSBOs only, and it's going to search realtor.com. The reason we're using realtor.com is because it's a publicly available website that it doesn't need a login or password or API key. It doesn't need anything. It can just go search it. So I'm not going to use, because I don't need this as a daily task for me, but for you guys, this is something that's absolutely possible and absolutely something I recommend, because that's what makes it easy, right? Instead of you manually going and doing things every day, it's going to do it for you every day automatically. But for this purpose of this, I'm not going to ask it to do a daily task right now. I'm going to have it do a one-time search. But you can see that's all I've done. I've said, go scrape all the FSBOs from realtor.com that happened today in this area. And I gave it the link to realtor.com. So to access that link, guys, all I did was go to realtor.com, go change the filter and see the things that happened today. And so that's all I did. And that's the URL here. It's obviously in my area, Sacramento for me. I took that exact link because that's what it's going to scrape everything on this page. So I took that link, I put that in the prompt, use this link, provide this. And now watch, I'm going to press enter. So basically I'm talking to a really smart person that is able to go do whatever I want, right, immediately, and give me the result. And I also told it to then draft the emails to be sent to the FSBOs. And so that's all that it took, was that one simple question. And remember, for you guys, this is going to be a repetitive task, and it can do this every single day automatically. And so now it's searching for the listings in the past 24 hours. Probably going to take a minute or two, maybe 3 tops to give us this result, but it's going to be extremely fast compared to how you or even a human, right? If you had a VA doing some type of export like this, the concept of this too is there's other services, right? You can have other software subscription services that send you expireds or something, but this is going to do all of that for you, and then even go the step further to draft the messages to be sent to the FSBOs. And it could even go a step further as to actually send them, right? We can send a text if we connect Twilio or another text message provider. We can send an email if we connect our email address. So that is exactly what this technology is designed to do, guys. These types of workflows that used to take hours and hours of our time now happen basically instantaneously. So we're going to give this guy maybe 2 more minutes to finish its search here, and we're going to see the hit list that it provided us. And in fact, I'll show you guys the result right here. So that's all it took, one search, and now here it is. So it went and found those exact properties here. These ones were all listed as FSBOs in the last 24. It's not able to identify exactly if it's in 24 hours, but that page that I gave was just for today's results. So it's going to be all the most recent results automatically. But that's what it said. It's like, hey, I'm not 100% sure if those are the last 24 hours, but it will be. So that is the first part of this, guys. It just built my entire FSBO list for the day and even drafted the emails for them to go send. And then it can actually even go send the emails. So the workflows we're going to be teaching you guys are going to be like this, whether it's FSBOs, expireds, or whatever other type of subset we're looking for. These things that were complicated and expensive before are now going to be much simpler and easy to do and happen automatically. So that is the FSBO training, guys. That's literally it. One prompt, one task, one time, and you now have value delivered to your doorstep every single day. So, and again, it can actually go send the messages, right? And you can even wake up to responses potentially. Like, let's say you have this thing come activate at 8 a.m. And even go send those messages eventually, right? But for now, I'm going to recommend that you approve the drafts before it sends those. So let's take a close look at those drafts, right? So here's some of the emails that it drafted. Hey, I noticed your one bed has been for 64 days. That's longer. So look how hyper personalized that message is. After 2 months on the market, it's not happening, right? This isn't working. Schedule a time. Let's take care of that. So you can see it's hyper specific to the listing, right? It's not a generic copy autoresponder that's sent based on whatever. It's unique to them and unique to you. If you have some type of value proposition, some type of edge or unique sort of, differentiator that gets the FSBO to call you back, that's what it's also going to provide. So between the personalization of the actual FSBO listing person there and the message of yourself, right? Whatever your unique value proposition is, going to combine all those things, draft the perfect response, and then all that's left is to send it. So again, that's the full stroke of what you guys would have had to do in the past, which would have taken hours and hours of time to do this. So again, the whole goal of Dubb AI is to help you earn back your most valuable and limited resource, which is time. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you can come turn this FSBO workflow on in your business and start getting some for sale by owners to work with you. We'll see you in the next training. Thanks.